Die, Gophers, die.
Yeah, no, Hi, this is Dave Rickerby from The Truth About Guns. Are you worried about a terrorist gopher zombie infestation? Lord knows I am. Here's how you deal with it. Terrorist gopher zombies? Kimber HDII.
Previously reviewed on the website.
Gopher problem solved.
Although hitting your cameraman in the knee with spent casings problem also solved. Oh, there we go. Dead gophers. Well, they're not real, are they, though?
What?
They're not real.
No gophers were harmed in the making of this video.